Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? Well, as you can see, I followed through with my plan. What you are doing is you are looking underneath my bed. I went and bought those totes, the ones that you slide underneath your bed. Hi, Penny, what are you doing? Please don't do that. When I'm laying on the floor, she thinks that it's playtime. No. Okay. Hang on just a minute. Okay. So, and there's Patches way in the back. So what I did was all of those buckets that I had in Andrew's room, okay, I had, oh my gosh, I don't know how many 5-gallon buckets full of food. Well, I had like 3 buckets full of dry beans. So I dry canned every single bag that I had. So that's what you're looking at in this one and in this one, okay? And then over here, with my purse, there is, and they're stacked. The totes are stacked, okay? Of Mylar bags with oxygen absorber packs full of food. Quick oats, potato flakes, pasta, all right? All different kinds of food, okay? So, I don't know if you can really like see, okay, you see how like the totes are stacked underneath my bed here, all right? So I wanted to show you what I did, that I did follow through with what I said I was going to do, all right, with storage, okay? But now I'm going to show you what else. So now I'm out my garage. Got all these buckets to fill. Oh, the damage what I can do. Oh, the trouble that I can cause. So these buckets will once again be filled, okay? But I wrote to Andrew, okay, because, you know, as you all know, he's in boot camp for the Marine Corps. And I told him, I said, you know, that I was successful in getting all the buckets out of his closet, you know, because he was, when he came home, he was like, Mom, really? So I promised him that I would have all of the buckets out of his closet. So when he does come home in 7 months, you know, that he would once again have his closet back. So I am going to have to figure out a way, once these buckets do get filled, okay, where to go, all right? So these do not fit underneath my bed, all right? They don't even fit underneath Andrew's bed. These are literally like 1/4 of an inch too tall to fit underneath either one of our beds. So, because the totes that I bought were 7 inches high, and I have 14 3/4 inches from my floor to underneath of my box spring. Same with Andrew's bed. These buckets are 15 inches tall with the lids, so it's literally 1/4 of an inch, okay? So I'm going to have to, you know, get some ideas, either make like end tables out of them. I've always wanted one of those tables that go behind the couch, but whatever the case may be. So these will once again be filled, you know, because as you all know, that stimulus package thing, whatever, okay, it came through. So I will be taking, I want to say, either 1/4 or 1/2 of that stimulus, and it's going to go right back into my preps. The other part of that stimulus is going towards the principal of my mortgage. And yeah, So, but what other non-perishables I'm going to be purchasing, I don't know. I really don't. I've got enough rice and beans to last us, holy heck, I want to say about a year and a half. But I want to get something other than that, you know. I like to be creative when I'm cooking. I know how to cook on so many different levels and so many different styles. I am not just self-taught, I have been taught. So, you know, if you have recipes, shoot them my way, all right? Because I love different recipes from different nationalities. I love it. So let me know, okay? I've used up a good portion of my mason jars, okay? Because if you saw the video from like a couple of months ago when I had first done this shelving unit out here in my garage, this thing was stacked up almost to the ceiling. But I used a good portion of my mason jars, okay? Plus the mason jars that I already had inside the house. So all of the beans and were dry canned. Plus we, because I put Sean's butt to work. We dry canned also 30 pounds of white rice and 10 pounds of brown rice. So it took us 2 days to get everything done. So, yeah. Anyway. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Stay positive. Keep prepping. And as always, fear less. Bye, guys.